And now you can see that the operating system is up and running. The desktop appeared and you can actually work with your operating system. So everything is working smoothly and there is no issue. The Raspberry Pi imager was able to install the operating system on the eMMC storage without any issues, and that's how it looks like. The next video will be about mounting the NVMe drive into the PCI Express card, and we will then mount this PCI Express card into the slot on our CM4 board, and then we will try to boot up one more time the operating system, just normally, to see is the NVMe drive detected, and the operating system is able to see it. And this is the crucial step because sometimes NVMe drives or PCI Express or both devices do not work properly, and you will not be able to see the NVMe drive in your operating system. So first step, buy. Second, mount. Third, run the operating system and check is it the disk visible in your command line or your operating system. And after that, when you will see it, you will be able to proceed and install the operating system on the NVMe drive. So I will try to present you how to make it work. Thank you very much and have a nice day or night. Take care. Bye bye.